Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Easter set once you finish the emoji hunt on Dress to Impress. So obviously you need to put in the code first. Once you've done that, you'll just need to go into one of the dressing rooms, and it's like anywhere in these like buttons for some reasons. It should just be in codes for some reasons. It's like everywhere. But as you can see, it's here. We have this really cute top with two toggles. We have these shorts. We have these bunny ears as well as this bunny plushie with some toggles as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.